If you are in Bandra, come to this super hyped cafe, Mokai, which serves one of the best coffees, especially the tiramisu latte, and has a super aesthetic vibe. First thing I tried there was their Vietnamese iced coffee. Smooth, refreshing, just perfect. 8.5 on 10. Next, tiramisu ice latte, a perfect blend of flavors of roasted coffee bean, sweetness of tiramisu. It's a perfect art, a must try, 10 on 10. Time to try some food, so I ordered their kimchi grilled chicken sandwich, which was super loaded with kimchi and grilled chicken. It had that fermented taste of kimchi, so it is very polarizing. Either you will love it or you will hate it. I personally like that kind of taste, so I loved it. It is easily 7.5 on 10 for me. Next thing I tried was not so Turkish eggs. The subtle taste and a creamy texture of egg and tofu. It tasted really nice with the sourdough bread. For me, it's a good 7 on 10. Mokai is famous for their matchas. There are a lot of matcha options here. I personally have tried matcha only once in my life and I didn't enjoy the taste. But if you are a matcha fan, there is definitely something for you here. I think you should definitely visit Mokai for their superb coffees and if you love Asian cuisine and their unique ambience and aesthetic. Everything here is so beautiful. The food, the coffees, the ambience, the aesthetic, everything is a unique experience. So I think you should visit here at least once and then you will keep visiting here again and again. Thank you.